afternoon mga ka-study buddy. Sa video ito, gagawin naman natin ang ating exercise number 4. Again, analyze muna natin yung ating drawing. Okay. So, this time ay gagawa ako ng rectangle with a dimension of 157 ang kanyang length and with a width of 49. Dalahatiin ko by 2 yung aking width. Gagawin ko lang muna yung kalahati. Okay, so rectangle. So ang kanyang dimension ay 157 by 49. Okay. Then make sure nyo na check yung inyong object snap tracking on or yung ating F11. Then chinekan ko yung endpoint, midpoint, center, and quadrant and intersection. Then later on, yan yung mga gagamitin natin sa object snap modes natin. Okay. Then next is i-explode ko yung aking rectangle. After ko ma-explode yung aking rectangle is gagawa ako ng line na ito. So meron daw distance from this point up to here na 30. So again, di-divide ko by 2. So magiging offset ko ay 15. Okay. Next, from this center point, ang aking circle sa taas hanggang sa aking circle sa baba, meron daw distance na 72. Again, so dinivide ko again by 2. So magiging distance niya ay 36. Then meron daw distance na 13. Skip. Next, meron daw radius na 13 sa corner na ito. So gagamit tayo ng fillet with a radius of 13. Skip. Next, yung ating apat na circle ay merong 4 or 12 na diameter. So, circle tayo with a diameter of 12 or radius of 6. Then delete ko to. Next, from this center point up to the center point of this circle, meron daw 84 na distance. So magka-copy ako with a distance of 84. Next is itong line na ito with the angle of 15. So 75 ang aking nilagay na distance tab of 15. The next, from this point, meron daw distance na 36. So again, di-divide ko by 2. So 18. So ang aking length ay 60. Then tab 100. Okay. So double check natin. Next, from this point up to here, merong 35 na distance. So, mag-offset tayo ng 35. Next, from this point up to this point, may distance 36. So, divided by 2 again. So, 18 yung ating magiging offset again. Okay. Next, from this point, meron daw 79 na distance. So, offset again of 79. Next, gagawa tayo ng circle with a radius of 10. Okay. Next is gagawa tayo ng fillet with a radius of 6. So this point is next, gagawin natin itong radius na 46. So circle 46 and with a radius of 46. Okay. Next ay magti-trim na tayo. Maglilinis na tayo. So ano na tayo, linis-linis na para magkaroon na ng image ng ating object. Okay, so this time okay. So after nating makagawa ng kalahati, i-mirror natin ang ating object. Okay, para mabuo na siya. May mirror. Okay. So next is lalagyan na natin ng ating dimension ng ating object. So from this point Okay. Next. Next. Then, lagyan natin ng center line. Okay. So, gumawa ako dito ng center line natin. Okay, next. Taas. Okay. So, okay, so that's all. So, I hope nakatulong ang ating paggawa ng ating exercise number 4. That's all. Thank you.